Hi guys, welcome to my first video. We are going to be making a matcha latte today. I have gotten so many requests and messages asking what type of matcha I use, how I make my matcha, so I'm going to show you today. Matcha is by far one of my favorite drinks. I sometimes have multiple cups of it every day because it's so good. It's so easy to make, and I promise you, you will never want to go elsewhere for your matchas because I feel like I have this recipe down to a science and a method. So I'm excited to share it with you guys. Matcha is super amazing for you because it is high in antioxidants. It contains a very powerful antioxidant called EGCg, which is a great breast cancer preventative, and it's great for uplifting your moods. It's rich in chlorophyll, which is very cleansing to the blood. It's amazing for stabilizing your blood sugars. It's just overall an amazing thing to incorporate on a daily basis. And if you're looking for a coffee alternative like I was, because coffee would make me super anxious, it would spike my cortisol levels, it would be really taxing on my hormones, my adrenals, then I would definitely recommend you incorporate this or transition away from coffee with matcha because it does contain caffeine, but it also has L-Theanine, which is great for keeping you chill. And it does really keep you chill. I feel like I'm always like collected and grounded after I drink this. So let's get started.
For this recipe, you're going to need about half a cup of steeped and cooled green tea. You're going to need some ceremonial grade matcha. I got mine from this place called Ocha, and they are a Japanese-based matcha company, and it's organic, and I absolutely love it. I always go back to this brand, and I used 1 teaspoon in the little bowl here. And then you're going to need about a little bit of milk of your choice. I love to use oat milk by Calyphia Farms. I find it to be super creamy and delicious, but you can honestly use any sort of milk that you like. And then the main component of this is a matcha whisk. So you're definitely going to need a matcha whisk because that is what brings this matcha to life. So I highly recommend getting a matcha whisk. And you are going to need some sweetener of your choice. I use this brand, these stevia drops, and they seem to work pretty well. So that's what you're going to need so far.
Okay, so now you're going to make a paste with the matcha, and you're going to add just a little bit of green tea to get everything smoothed out. So you've got your matcha whisk, and you're going to smooth out any of the little matcha pieces and just get everything nice and smooth and in the consistency of a paste. Now I did add a little bit of liquid, so it is a little bit on the liquidy side of a paste, but you do want a nice smooth consistency. And you can move in a vigorous motion to get it a little bit frothy and to make sure that you're just smoothing out any of the little matcha bits that you will see at the bottom. And once you've got that going, you're going to just add a tad bit more liquid, and you're going to want to get the matcha very frothy, and you're going to work the matcha in very vigorously in like a zigzag or 8-figure like motion. And as you can see, it's getting really nice and frothy right now. And you want to just keep going until it gets a little bit more frothy. And there you go. You've got a frothy matcha ready to go. So if you want this poured over ice, just add ice to the bottom of your cup and then add your milk. And here I'm just adding a few drops of stevia. They're so convenient. And now I'm going to pour some of my matcha in the cup. And it looks like I just made a little bit, so I'm going to add just a little bit more of the green tea just to fill the cup up. And there you have it, a delicious matcha.
And there you have the world's best matcha. I'm just kidding, but really it is so good. So tag me on Instagram if you do choose to make it. Let me know how you like it. Leave a comment, like this video, share it with someone that needs matcha in their life, and stay tuned for more.